Hello everybody, Dave from Dave's Model Railroad. Tonight we're going to do an unboxing of the Scaled Trains Rivet Counter Green Buyer Gunderson Multi-Max Autorack Trailer Train TTGX 698267. As you can see, it comes pretty well packaged. Cardboard. Open it up here. Then of course we have the blister pack. Comes with a nice little pamphlet with details, with a little what it comes with, parts list, and then an exploded view of the train. Nice and easy to open. Of course, let's protect it. Get it out here. Don't want to run this under carriage. Set that down right here. Okay. So let's start at this end. And we have coupler cut levers, MU hoses, McHenry couplers, our road specific details and stickers, our steps, stirrups, ladders. These are etched metal plates. I believe they are see-through. Yes, I can see through them. Has all our TTX lettering on the side. We have roller bearing trucks. All road specific markings. TTX. The brake, very fine brake detail here. See if we can get it to focus. As you can see, it has the very fine, here's the brake chain, the brake line, nice underbody detail. Ladder, more markings. This end also has the McHenry coupler, cut lever, air hose, road specific markings again on this side with the car number. And this side is just a copy of the other side with our road specific markings again. As you notice, I got the one with the red lettering. I believe there is also one with the yellow lettering. As you can see, we have the 4 steps. There's 1, 2 on this side. Also 2 on this side. The doors are supposed to open, but I'm afraid to try it because I've watched other videos where they're very, very hard to open. Even the galvanized steel roof is prototypical to the TTX line. We have the safety yellow on the top with the height gauge, or the how high the car is. the reflectors on the side. The roller bearings are also stamped. I do not think I can get a nice close-up of that. I have not put it on the layout yet, but I do have a track here on the bench. We'll see how nice it rolls once I get it on here. Okay. Nice smooth movement. Very nice. I do believe the minimum radius for these is 24. On my layout, I do have 30-inch outside radius and 28 inside. So I do believe this should track very, very nicely on the layout. Well, this was a quick unboxing and my own review. Please like and comment down below. I read all my comments and answer as many of the questions I can. And this is my personal view. It is not the recommendation of the manufacturer. It's just my own personal view and what I like about the Scale Trains brand. I do have quite a few engines from Scale Trains and do like the quality of their work. So this is my first freight car from them, and I'm very pleased. So that's it for now. I will do another video when I do replace the McHenry couplers with KD couplers. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.